250 grams ground beef. Add to a bowl. Hello friends, welcome to Pure Delicious. I'm so happy to have you here on my channel. 1 medium-size onion, diced finely. Today, I'm making a hearty and comforting dish, so stay tuned and watch to the end. 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and a half teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well to combine. Set aside and let it marinate for 30 minutes. But if you're short on time, you can skip this step. It will be delicious both ways. 1 medium-sized eggplant. Peel it off and dice. Eggplants are high in antioxidants, fiber, potassium, and vitamins B1 and B6 contribute to heart health. They are low in carbs and high in fiber, which helps slow digestion and prevents blood sugar spikes. Add the eggplant to a bowl and top with water. Add half a teaspoon salt. Eggplants can have a slightly bitter taste due to natural compounds called glycoalkaloids. Salting draws out some of this bitterness. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Potatoes, 1 kilogram, 2.1 pounds. Cut them into chunks. Potatoes are high in complex carbohydrates, which provide steady energy, especially helpful for athletes or active individuals. They're also known as potassium-rich food, which helps regulate blood pressure. B vitamins and antioxidants in potatoes contribute to proper brain function and nerve signaling. It's best to consume them with the skin on. Transfer to a pot and top up with water. Add a teaspoon of salt. Put the lid on and cook until soft. Heat up 1 tablespoon olive oil over medium-high heat. Add the meat mixture, spread it evenly, and fry for 3 to 4 minutes, stirring occasionally. Meanwhile, dice 3 small tomatoes. Do you know that tomatoes are the #1 dietary source of lycopene, which is a powerful antioxidant? Lycopene may help reduce the risk of heart disease, certain cancers like prostate, and protect against sun damage. Cooking tomatoes like in sauce or roasting actually increases lycopene absorption, especially when paired with a little healthy fat like olive oil. It's wonderful that such an accessible and cheap food can do so much for our body. Drain the eggplants and add to the pan. Toss around and let it soften for a few minutes. Add tomatoes to the pan. Stir around, I wish you could smell it through the screen. It's already smelling so good. Dear friends, which part of this amazing world are you watching my video from? I'm so excited to know that. Please write in the comments. Add salt and pepper to your taste. Mix well and cook for a few minutes until the veggies start to soften. Grate a block of cheddar cheese or any cheese you like. I like cheddar for its depth of flavor. We need 1 cup shredded cheese for this dish. Add half a cup of tomato sauce to the pan. Put on the lid, reduce the heat to low and cook for 10 minutes. Smash the mixture with a spatula to make it smooth. Chop a bunch of parsley. Parsley is high in vitamin K, essential for bone strength and calcium regulation. Just a small amount provides more than 100% of your daily need. Amazing, right? Drain the potatoes. Add a 1/3 cup of the cheese to potatoes. 2 tablespoons butter. Parsley. A pinch of salt and pepper. There's something oddly comforting about mashing potatoes, don't you think? I feel like it brings back memories of family dinners, someone laughing in the kitchen, that cozy smell floating through the house. Mashed potatoes just feel like home. And honestly, is there ever a wrong time for mashed potatoes? They're like the food version of a hug. Soft, warm, simple, the kind of food that doesn't ask much from you just to sit down, take a breath, and enjoy. Grease your baking dish with a drizzle of oil. Let me know in the comments, do you mash yours smooth and creamy, or do you like them a little rustic with chunks? No judgment here, we're all just here for the comfort food. Divide the potatoes into 6 equal parts and shape them into balls. Put the balls in your baking dish. Flatten gently with your hands. Create a deep well in the mashed potatoes with your fingers. The edges should be fairly tall. The aim is to make room for the meat mixture. Sprinkle a little cheese in the potato nests. Now, fill them with the meat sauce. This dish does not only look pretty, but it's also so hearty and tasty. My kids were super excited about these pretty potato nests. They didn't want to ruin it. Sprinkle the rest of the cheese on top. Bake in preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes or until the cheese has melted. Dear friends, if you like my recipes, please like the video and share it with your family and friends. And consider subscribing and turning on the notification to get the future recipes as soon as published. The combination of creamy potato with savory delicious meat sauce and melting cheese, very satisfying. Thanks for watching. Take care.